Hello, and thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Today we're going to cover 3 things that you can do to boost the traffic to your website. Those things are content, citations, and backlinks. When we look at content, we come to the front page of your website. I really like it because it has very nice pictures of the jobs that you have performed. It has testimonials on the side, and it has the links to your different social media accounts. Your front page can be improved by including more content, more and more relevant content. And what I mean by that is that when I look at the front page, it has 163 words, and Google likes to see at least 1,500 words so that you can be optimized for Google and Google can start ranking at the top. When I look at your competitors, so MVS Kitchen and Bath, they have 1,000 words. And most building and design, they have 700 words. So just consider including more content on your front page and sprinkle it with relevant keywords. Now, what is a keyword? When I come here to Google and I type in kitchen remodeling Northern Virginia, this is what a keyword is. Anything that someone can type in the Google search when they are looking to buy a product or a service. So it's buyer intent keywords. And the first section on the Google search is the Google Ads. Google Ads are good because they are able to drive 30% of the traffic to the websites, but sometimes people just block the Google Ads or they just skip them altogether. And they jump straight into the second section, which is the Google Maps. And the Google Maps section or the Google Business Profile shows usually 3 businesses, and to rank at the top of the Google Business Profile, you need what is called citation. And a citation is anywhere your business is listed in directories such as Facebook, Yellow Pages, or Yelp. And the key here is that your business, the information in those directories needs to match the information in your Google Business Profile. So the name of your business, the address, and the phone number needs to be exactly the same. Now, when we scroll down, we find what is called the Google Organic Search. This is where I found your 2 competitors. To rank at the top of the organic search, you need the content and the backlinks. And to analyze those rankings, we use a tool called Ahrefs. So let's talk about backlinks. A backlink is a link on any website that is directing traffic to your website or that is pointing directly to your website. And you need to look at it like a popularity contest, where the person with the most likes is the person that wins. In this case, the website with the most backlinks is the one that is going to rank at the top. But you have to bear in mind that not all backlinks are created equal. There are some backlinks that are more powerful than others. And that means that if you have a backlink in a website that is related to an association or an organization relevant to your niche, that backlink is going to give you more points, and Google is going to see that and is going to give you more credit for those backlinks and is going to rank you higher. So that's something to bear in mind. Let's have a look at your competitors. So MVS Kitchen and Bath, they have 1,940 referring domains or websites with 4,430 backlinks. And most building and design, they have 200 referring domains with 748 backlinks. So that's an area you can improve on so that Google gives you points for that and you can start ranking higher. Now, the other thing that I want to show you is organic keywords. So this is the content or the keywords that your website is targeting and that Google is ranking you for. So in here you have the keywords on the side, you have the volume, and this is the number of times someone searches for this keyword per month. And here shows the position. So here is showing me in which position you are showing up on the Google search for that particular keyword. So you see, you are mainly ranking for basement remodeling, Fairfax. You are actually ranking, you're in position 32 for kitchen remodeling Fairfax, Virginia. But I want to note here that anything beyond the 10th position means that you are already on the second page. And if you are on the second page, chances are no one is looking at you because most of the people stay on the first page of Google and they don't even go to the second page. So it is important to target relevant keywords for the services that you provide and for the geographic areas that you serve. So for example, bathroom remodeling Fairfax, Virginia has good search volume, same as kitchen remodeling Fairfax, but it's important to include those terms on your on the services and the description of the services that you provide so that you can rank up higher. Let's have a look at your competitors. In the organic keywords, for example, if I look at kitchen remodeling, it's showing me that they are there's a volume of 150 searches per month, and because they are in second position, they are able to drive 20 of those searches to their website. Similar to the term kitchen remodeling Northern Virginia, 100 searches per month and 15 visits to their website. Now the second competitor, Mouth, they have kitchen remodeling Northern Virginia. They are in fifth position, 12 out of 100 visits they are able to drive to their traffic. And kitchen remodeling Northern Virginia, they are in fourth position and they are able to drive 11 of those searches, 11 out of 100, to their website. So what I wanted to share with you is that although you are targeting services such as basement remodeling, there are other segments that you could target that could potentially boost the number of visits to your website, and in that sense, have more sales leads that result in higher revenue. So to recap, you can improve on content, include more and more relevant content. You can include more citations to rank higher in the Google Business Profile, and you will need more backlinks, more and more powerful backlinks. So if you like what you saw on this video, you can please consider arranging a more in-depth consultation with me, a one-on-one. Here are my details. I am Viviana Olaya from Turbine SEO. This is my phone number and this is my email address. You can use this information and implement it on your own, but if not, I would really appreciate it if you can give me any sort of feedback. Thank you so much and have a nice one. Bye bye.